guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a random Walmart and Target haul. I know I already did a Target haul a little bit ago, but I went back and got some more stuff. So I want to show you what else I got, and then of course I also got some things from Walmart, but I didn't really want to make it like its own video for Walmart, so I decided just to put my Target and my Walmart together. So let's get into it. So the first place is going to be Target. I put it in this American Eagle bag, but trust me, it's Target. So first thing is I got some belts. These are, and the clearance sticker is covering it. These are, doesn't tell me where they're from. These are size XXL and they were $8 for 3, so I thought that was such a good deal. And I got a black one with like a nice gold, like gold deteriorating one, if that makes sense, and then also a brown one. And I thought these would be cute for putting together looks, and yeah. So I got these. Then I got these face masks that come with a little like carrier with it and stuff. I thought that was so cool. This one comes with 2 that says I am actually smiling. I love that. And then it has like this cute little like random painting pattern on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on, let me see if I can. You guys can see that kind of, right? Okay. So, and then it has the little carrier that says keep smiling. I thought that was so cute. So I got that. I'm like addicted to masks now. I have to have one that like matches every single outfit. So I'm addicted. And then I also got this other one that says this is my happy face. And then it has like this cool like black and white like swirling design. It kind of reminds me of like a what are those things called? Not a graphic design, but like one of those like spray painting design things, you know what I'm saying? So I really like that. I really like this black one. I'm thinking about wearing this one for work, because at work at one of my jobs I can only wear black mask, so I think that's cute. A bunch of these charge and listens for iPhone. These are literal game changer, guys. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but these are literal game changers. If you guys find these at your Target, you need to pick them up. They actually work amazing. So what you do is you plug this thing into your iPhone, and then you can actually charge your iPhone and listen to music at the same time. This comes in handy when I'm working in my office. I can either be like, before I got this, I can either only charge my iPhone and bear the silence, or I could just listen to my iPhone and watch it die slowly. But now I can do both. So yes, that's great. So this first one is, these are all from the men's section actually, except for one. I think only two of them are from the girls section, the rest of them are from the men's. This one is the Harry Potter shirt, and it says platform 9 3/4 Hogwarts Express. Can you guys see that? Hold on, stupid. There we go. If you guys don't know, I am a huge Hogwarts fan, or Harry Potter fan in general. I love Harry Potter. I am a Slytherin, and yeah. So I love Harry Potter, and whenever I can find anything of Harry Potter, I will snatch it up. Then I also got this t-shirt that says Nintendo 64. Now, I'm not a gamer at all. I like rarely ever play, but when I was younger I actually used to play video games a lot, and my very first system was a Nintendo 64 and the GameCube. If you guys are old enough and remember what a GameCube is, that was my very first game system, and I loved it. Me and my sister would play it all the time. And so this is really nostalgic, and I really like this because I don't really play video games anymore, but back when I did, the Nintendo 64 was literally my jam. Of course, I saw this Marvel t-shirt, and y'all know I am also addicted to Marvel and the Avengers. So your girl had to pick it up. And for majority of these shirts, I'm going to crop them because they're men's shirts, and men's shirts tend to make me look boxy. So if I crop it, it's just gonna look like a boxy crop top. So that'd be cute. So I got that. And then from the girls section, I got this really cute short sleeve lavender shirt. That's pretty much it. That's like it. It has like ridges to make your like body look more sinking in and more hourglass shape, so that's cool. Got that. And then I got another one like it, but in a purple, like in a deeper purple. And I thought that's cute because I actually don't own a lot of purple clothes. My closet consists majority of black and gray. And I'm trying to like not deteriorate, what's the word I'm trying, like steer away from my black and gray clothing because I have a lot. And I'm gonna be doing a spring cleaning soon because fingers crossed spring will be coming soon, because here in Iowa, y'all, there has literally been 4 snowstorms in February, and it's only been 2 weeks. Makes me want to cry. But yes, spring is hopefully right around the corner, so I'm gonna be doing some spring cleaning, especially in my makeup room and in my closet, because your girl got a lot of clothes and she needs to get rid of some. So I will be filming that, so get ready for that. Now let's move on to Walmart. The first thing I have, get out of here. The first thing I have is this travel humidifier. I got this because, I don't know, my boyfriend said I need one for down here for some reason. So like, cause it's like super cold down in my basement. I like love the cold, I'm like super okay with it, but he says it's not good for me, so he told me to get a humidifier. So I just got this little one. Don't really see a difference, but I got one because he told me to. So trust the boyfriend for that. And then this is like super random. Like majority of this stuff is random. And then I got the Pitch Perfect 3 movie. I love the Pitch Perfect movies. I have all of them now. This was the only one that I was missing, but I found it for only $5 and I was like, yeah. So I got it and now my collection is complete. I freaking love these girls. I love the movies. Highly recommend to watch them. Then I got 2 more face masks. They're both the same ones. They're like this blue color and then it in a rainbow metallic says blessed on them. I got 2 of them, one for me and one for my mom. I think she would really like him. So I got that. And then I got this clear reef hanger. I don't know if you guys can even tell it's clear, but yeah. And yeah, it's clear. And I got it because not only to use for when Christmas comes back around, but also for like in case I want to do like a spring sort of reef or summer reef, fall reef or anything, then I have this and I thought it'd be cute. So I got that. Then I got a bunch of candles. I love candles. These are 2 1-wick candles in each and they are apple cinnamon and they were on sale. So oh, it smells so good. In my bedroom, like my personal bedroom, I only use 1-wick candles. In my living room, I use a 3-wick candle. So whenever I see like good, cheap 1-wick candles, I snatch them up. Ooh, if you guys can hear that, my laundry's done. So that's good for me. So I got 3 of them. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6. 6 1-wick candles. So we gotta be careful because these ones are made of glass. And then another random thing, I say random because after this the rest of them are closed, is this huge bottle of the Purex crystals. I love these things. This one is in Fabulous Fresh. These are literally game changers, guys. If you guys don't use this when you do laundry, you need to. Game changers, they make your laundry smell amazing for weeks, especially if like you don't wear all your clothes, especially if you have a lot of clothes like me and you don't wear them all. These like game changers, amazing. I even got my boyfriend into them, amazing. Now we're getting into the clothes portion. First thing from clothes, I honestly don't even know what I got. Oh, so the first thing is this, this like black polo shirt type thing. And it's a turtleneck, but I'm still debating whether I want to cut the turtleneck or not. But I got it for work because I usually just wear like black long sleeves for work. I don't really have any short sleeve shirts, and I thought this was pretty cute for work because you can only wear all black at my second job. So I thought this was cute, so I got this one. And then I got this sweater because I thought it was freaking cute. And it says, "Be the person your dog thinks you are." I know it's gray, and I said I wasn't gonna get more gray things and black things, but that one was for work, so that doesn't count. This one is because it's super cute and they didn't have any other color but gray. And I got it because I love my dogs, and my dogs love me, honestly. They love me more than they love my boyfriend. And Grace, who's technically is my boyfriend's dog, she loves me more than she loves him, and it's so funny. We always joke about it. But I got this one because it's super cute and solely true because I love my dogs. And then let's keep going with shirts. I got this red tank top because I don't really have a red tank top. I think I only have one, but it's like V-neck-ish type thing. So this one is a high neck. So I thought this would be really cute to wear either by itself or under one of my overshirts, or even with one of my, what are those things called? Cardigans. So yeah, I got this one because I thought this was cute. Now we're getting into some pants. I think the rest of these are pants. So this one is high-rise stretch, and it is a jegging. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, it just says jegging on it. And these ones are like a bluish gray color. They're kind of like a hint of like a jean material look, but they do kind of look more business pantsy. When I work at my second job, or I mean my first job, my bad, I do have to wear more business casual type clothes. So when I saw these and they're more like jegging material, I was like, these are perfect. So your girl's gonna get them. I love Walmart clothes, guys, especially their pants. Their pants slaps. Then I got these gray jegging ones that are like the same type. They're high-rise, stretchy jegging material, and they kind of look like pajama pants, but they're also like office clothing type, casual, comfy wear. So I was like, yeah, hook me up. And then I got these sort of like, I don't even know how to describe it, like copper, I guess you could call it, color. These are also high-rise jegging fits, and these ones are just regular work pants types, also for my first job. They're cute, I love them. And then 2 more, I think, 3 more, 4 more, I don't know. I got these plaid ones also for work. These ones are also high-rise fitted, and these ones are actually pointy, which means that the end of them actually hug the ankles, which I love because I have small legs and everyone makes fun of them because I always walk slow and everyone makes fun of me for it. So it makes me sad. But anyways, I like that because that means I can like roll them up if I need to, if they're too long. And yeah, these are really cute for work as well. Literally all of these are for work. Then I also got another plaid pair, but these ones are like black and gray instead of just like different colored blacks. This one, yeah, tell me what kind of fitted you are. This one is skinny pants. So this one isn't jegging material, it's actually pants. So they actually have like the regular bottom anklet thingies, but that's okay. It's totally fine. I will deal with it. And then I think this is the last one, finally. Ooh, and this one's actually a shirt. Never mind. It wasn't pants. And this is just a plain black workout shirt. I like wearing plain black workout shirts sometimes, because sometimes if it's an intense workout, I get a little sweaty and I don't want people to see me sweaty, so I got this one just in case. And also it's like thermal wear, and if you guys don't know, I live in Iowa, it gets really cold here, so I got this one too just in case it gets like too cold for me. So that is my Target and Walmart haul, guys. Let me know down below if you saw anything that you like. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. And let's see, leave that comment down below about what your favorite thing from this haul was. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And I'll see you next Friday.